Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Reno 5C. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Now select, that was a misclick. Select receive on Oppo over here and send on Android smartphone. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots on your Android phone and click on send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now though, so I will go into photos. Select only one, click on send and tap on got it. Now you need to scroll down on Oppo, click on yes I agree or no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon over here, then choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But if you want to, you can always input this key over here as well and click on receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!